Celebrating the Air Jordan 5's 35th anniversary, Jordan Brand continues a year of standout launches with the women's exclusive Luminous Green, dropping August 30, 2025. Official photos showcase a full luminous green leather upper and perforated leather quarter panels in place of the usual TPU. The design keeps things tonal with matching laces, tongue Jumpman logos, and a stitch 23 on the heel. Underfoot, a black midsole accented with green shark teeth delivers contrast. Following the black Metallic Reimagined in February, this pair joins a lineup that includes Awake New York collaborations and the highly awaited Fire Red retros. The pastel-based aesthetic leans into season-ready energy, while the monochrome execution makes it a versatile yet eye-catching choice. Positioned among 2025's boldest women's releases, the Air Jordan 5 Luminous Green balances heritage appeal with a fresh, modern twist for its milestone year.